Well, here we are again, once again at the Kalgan Bridge. I can't see because it's pretty overgrown. We've had a good wet summer, so this is a little car park here at the bridge, and we're just going to pop down the little track here. Come on. So this is the other end of the Luke Penn Walk. I think it's 13 kilometres all up. That's with all the bends and twists and things. Someone said it's about 7 kilometres in a straight line. I'm not sure, but so earlier on it was we're getting a bit of rain and a bit of wind, but we're pretty sheltered here. The river's in a kind of a valley. So you can see this bit's quite wide. It's at like a lagoon, so the river exit is just over there. It's hard to see on the camera, but just around here, around this corner where Jack's just gone, oh there he is. Just around the corner here is where the bridge is. So it trickles through down the rocks into here, forms this pool, this lagoon as the locals like to call it, and then it heads down, like I said, through that exit and down to Lower Kalgan, where we've put a video before. Yeah, so here we are again at the Upper Kalgan Bridge, and it's gone a bit overcast again, so I might get a bit of drizzle and rain. I should have brought a jacket, but I didn't. Never mind. And we're just on the bottom of these steps here. The car park is just above us up here, and we're just going to pop along here and have a look at where the river comes from under the bridge. Like I said, we have done this section before. We did a fly under the bridge and around. And what I'm going to try and do is, as I said before, what we're going to try and do is link all the videos together, so you get a full trip all the way down from the Upper Kalgan Bridge all the way down to Lower Kalgan, where it goes into the Emu Point and the estuary. So here you can just see the bridge, and the river's just running down through here. This brackish looking water is caused by the tannin effect, which is bark and leaves and branches that have fallen in upstream, and they soak, and the brown or dark red colour comes out from the branches and the leaves and turns the water this coffee coloured. It's actually quite clear at the moment, but it's usually a lot more brown than this when it rains. He always likes to be in front, even when he doesn't always go in. He likes to be in front. So here you get the view of the bridge, which you will have seen before. If you followed our videos, you will have seen this bridge before. This is the Upper Kalgan Bridge, and this is the South Coast Highway that runs over the top, and it goes out to Esperance and the goldfields. And if you keep going, it'll take you all the way across to the eastern states, South Australia and New South Wales. And you can see here, these are the original old structure with the wooden beams, being reinforced by concrete now. But the section you can see in the middle, which has been replaced with the steel supports, and it looks like new concrete pylons in the river today. But we'll keep going, we'll walk down the river a little bit. So we've left the bridge behind us. The bridge is back that way. You can see this lagoon. You can see how quite wide it is here, and deep from what I've been told. You can see now it's actually drizzling a little bit, so but it's blowing through so quickly But hopefully we won't get too wet. This is a very well constructed walk. So hey, this steps are a bit steep for my bionic knee. Wish I had knees like Jack. Mind you, I don't want 4 of them. I only want 2, Jack. So here you can see, I think I would get a clear spot through the trees. And there you can see where the river runs through. Even though we've had quite a wet summer, things are still very, very dry. We've had hot days, and this is the result of the heat. Look at the size of this one. Hopefully in the next few weeks I shall be getting a new toy from Amazon. This is a little stabilised mount for my phone. That's why I thought I'd try the phone out today, which I used at the beginning of the video. And then when I do these walks I can just carry the little stabiliser with me. Here's more of that. See, it's leaking out of that. Background runs all the way down the tree. Jack keeps stopping and coming back, waiting. Come on, Dad. Oh, what a difference it makes to the colours when the sun comes out. I tend to get a really washed out colours when there's no sunshine. I'll have to check the settings on the GoPro. I'm still getting glimpses of the river. I'm just trying to find a spot, the next low spot that goes down by the water. We're going to launch the drone and do a fly back up towards the bridge. We're about 300 or 400 metres away from the bridge now. Now this is starting to go downhill now, so hopefully we'll be getting a little bit closer to the water and we can find a bit of a clearing to launch the drone. Jack's looking very intently like he spotted something. Oh, well, we'll see what it is when we get a bit further down here. We found a bit of a clearing here on the path. Now we just have to get out through these trees. So I'll just have to concentrate a little bit here as we fly through the gap. I've just got to try and squeeze through this last little bit. There's a bit on the right here that you can't see. There we are, now we're free. So we're going to head up the river. We're heading back to where we were standing and I was pointing down to where the entrance is. So where we are just now is roughly the entrance to the river from the lagoon. As we just do a bit of a turn here, you can see the bridge in the distance centre, and you can see where the little rocks are, where the water trickles down into the lagoon. I'm going to have to turn back here because I'm getting to the limits of my visual sight. In Australia it's illegal to fly if you can't see the drone, so we better head back, I think. At least we've found our way back home again. Yeah, there's Wally. Now all I have to do is try and figure out how to get it through that hole again. Or maybe I can go for a walk around the tree here and bring it in from the other side. Just stay there, drone. I'll be back in a minute. No, now there's nothing on the other side. Looks like it's going to have to come through here again. Let's hope we don't lose the drone. Wow, talk about extra pressure. There's a dog barking up on the hill behind me. Yeah, we're past all the obstacles, so just a minute, I'll put it down on the ground now. Whoa, sorry about that. Ah, Jack. Just remind myself to turn off the recording before I pick up the drone.